Hello, my dear students. Now we are going to discuss. In last video, we have discussed the difference between family letters, formal letters, and informal letters, and business letters, you can say. Today, we are going to talk again in a very brief manner about the different kinds of business letters. Look here, man has going to write letters on different occasions to give wish on birthdays, on anniversaries. If good thing happens, if I passed, later I am going to write. Many things are there. These are called family letters that we are writing to our family members, friends, and near and dear ones. But business letters are there. There are different occasions are there, different reasons are there that why we are writing business letters. So one by one we will discuss today. When we are writing business letters, there is one thing is there, remember in your mind, that once you have worked out the purpose of the letter, that what is the purpose of the letter? Why you are writing? Look here, every activity has the purpose. If I am writing to my father, that purpose is there. That since last so many days I have not written to my father, and or possibilities there, that I want help from him, I want my pocket money from him. Many things are there. If I am writing a letter to my friend that I want his help or I want some money from him, or I am reminding him that he has taken money and please give back my money. Many reason, purpose is there. So writing a business letter is also a purpose. Just like, for example, business letters can be written for a number of purposes. Here they are given. Many reasons are there. Many purposes are there to write a letter. For example, to apologize. To apologize that particularly the things came to me and I have not paid the money, what the amount is due. So apology is there. Or if I have given some purchasing order and that person, that company has not give back my order, so apology is there from this side or from that side. So apology letter is there. To apologize, the letters are written down. To comment that how the goods are there, comment on that card is there. To comment, letters are written down. To request, letters are written down. To confirm or to inquire. To confirm the order or to confirm that I am going to take the goods from you, or to inquire how the goods are there, what is the price, how much percentage you are giving, or many things are there. The different kinds of business letters are here they have given. So we have taken that these are the purposes and these are business letters. What the kinds are there? Business letters of kinds are there. For example, letter of inquiry about the goods. When I am going to write a letter that please give me about the quality of the goods that I am going to purchase from your factory, that things are there. It is called letter of inquiry. Then letter of request. Letter of request, for example, that you have not paid money or you are not given check to me and you have not accepted our order. What is there? Please, that one thing is there. That is called letter of request. One is letter of inquiry. Second is letter of request. Then acknowledgement letter. Third is there. Acknowledgement letter means that I have got all the things. Whatever you have sent to me, I got all the things. So acknowledgement letter is there. So thank you for sending this. Then letter of permission. Letter of permission where the permissions are given to send the material or to send the money or to send the finance. Then sales and marketing letter. Then customer relations letter. The customers are there. And different types of their letters are there. For example, order is there. That customers are giving order and on that order we have to give letters to customers. Then follow up. Means how much things are required, how much days are required, what is going on that after the order that still I have not collected my goods. So follow-up letter is there. Then complaint letters are there. So these 4, 5, 6 types of letters are there. Particularly we are talking here about business letters. Inquiry letter is there, complaint letter is there, requesting letter is there, permission letter is there, and every letter has got its own purpose. requesting letter has got its own purpose. This follow-up letter has got its own purpose. Complaint letter has got its own purpose. So all the time, remember, when basic skills are there, writing about the letters, business, first you just like differentiate between business letter and formal letters and informal letters. And after that, we can understand that how business letters are important and what type of business letters are there and what is the purpose of every letter. So all these things we have discussed in this video. So I think that in a very brief manner, you can understand what the business letters are there and how we are going to present different types of letters in our career or in our job. Thank you for being with me.